It's another Middle School Monday, and today we're going to look at the Middle School Lyrical Etude, the first segment. That's measures 1 through 4. Before we play it, let me show you a couple of things that you'll need to focus on as you practice this segment. The first is your right hand C sharp. We're going to use this side key on the bottom right hand stack to play all of the C sharps in this segment. And we're going to use the left hand B key to play all the B's in this segment. Very important that you can play the C sharp with just your right pinky and the B with just your left pinky. Check it out. I'd love to help you prepare this etude. Check out the link below and use the code KICKSTART to save $15 on our full all-state prep course. I'd love to help you ace your next audition.